Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday Direction video. Today we're looking at the Stamp Act up close. So today you got the Stamp Act document. I just threw the whole lesson in here. We got our big question, why were the colonists upset about the Stamp Act? That's the essential question for today. I put the whole teaching lesson plan in there for the kids at home, so if you're confused on stuff, you can read through this and get more detail, and obviously you can kind of see what I'm going to be talking about. So read through that if you feel like it. But again, this is kind of just some insider information there. The actual document stuff start on page 5 here. And there's 3 documents you got to read through. So document A, document B, and document C. We scroll down here, and then you just got to answer these guided questions. And then, so you'll have 4 questions to answer, and then your 5th question is you're going to answer this big one here. So you have those 4 down here you'll answer, the big 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then number 5 is the big question. So 5 questions on a Google Doc. Turn it in once you're done, and you should be good to go. All looking at these different acts that we looked at Monday in our notes and from the crash course video we watched on Monday. But that's it, guys. Just go through, read them, source them, and then go through the questions. And for your sourcing ones, I think it's just going to be pretty easy for you guys today. All right, talk to you later.